Guys, let's watch this video you are seeing right here.
Today, I will show you how to cook a delicious vegetable soup. These are fresh vegetables, washed and ready for preparation. Wash your vegetables properly to remove all dirt. Now, slice the vegetables into small pieces.
Now, you see this video you just watched right now? This video was created for free. So if you are into cooking video or you want to be creating this type of video that just play right now, make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part or decided to forward the video thinking that I'm talking too much or I'm explaining things too much or I'm wasting your data. If you really want to learn how you are going to create this type of video that just play right now, I'm going to show you everything step by step on this video, how you are going to start creating videos like this for yourself. And you can use free method which I'm going to show you right now how you can do it for free without subscribing to any AI tool, without paying for any AI tools. And this type of video, you can post it on your Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, or any social media account, and it can be monetized and you'll be making money from it. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you are going to use your phone and start creating videos like this. Let's get started. So guys, let's get started. And to get started, it's just to head over to ChatGPT and you give your video idea to ChatGPT. Now, this is what I give to ChatGPT as you are seeing it here. This first one here, I said I want to create faceless video of a Nigerian lady teaching our audience how to cook vegetable soup. The lady should be in the kitchen. The video should include where she is teaching vegetable, cutting vegetable, washing vegetable, where she start cooking vegetable and everything about the cooking vegetable. So, and ChatGPT write me the video prompt. As you can see, these are the complete AI video package here. As you can see, ChatGPT design, character design. So this is the character, master image character, and this is the scene 2. This is the scene 3. These are all the scenes we need to generate our videos. I've shown you guys on my previous video how you can prompt your videos and also how you can get your video. So if you have not watched that video, you can watch it. So this is everything we need to get started with our video. As you can see, scene 1, which include the image generation, the camera angle, the body movement, emotion expression, and the environment description, as you can see, and image prompt, everything. This is everything we need to start generating the video. So this is the first thing we have to do after we get our prompt. The first thing we have to do is to copy our master image prompt here. This one you are seeing here. We're going to copy this master image prompt. Now, so after copying the prompt, the next thing I'm going to do, I can just decide to paste the prompt here on ChatGPT, and I will say add something like generate the image at the bottom. Just add generate the image so that you to understand that you want to generate this image. Then you click on continue. And when you click on continue, you just give it some minutes. As you can see, ChatGPT have already started generate the image. After you copy the prompt, just paste it back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate the image for you. So we are going to use this image to generate our entire video. So we are using this image. So just wait for a minute and it's going to complete generating the video. As you can see, this is our prompt and this is our image. So this is our master image is generating the image right now. So let's give it some minutes so that it's going to generate the image. The image has been generated, so let's wait for it to complete. Now this is the image. As you can see, this is the image. I can decide to change this image to aspect ratio. Let me change the aspect ratio, like we want to use it for YouTube or Facebook. Now if you want to use it for YouTube, let me just say change the aspect ratio to 16.9 because that is for YouTube. So let's say for YouTube. If you want to use it for Facebook, you can set 9.16. That is for Facebook. If you want to use it for Facebook, but this time I want you to change it to YouTube so that we can use it for YouTube. Now you can see the video it created, the image it created for us. This image is so nice. Now as you can see, this is a Nigerian lady who is ready to prepare a goosey soup. Look at her ingredient, and also she's in the kitchen, just the way I described it in my video idea a moment ago. So let's wait for it to generate this image. Now the image has been generated. The image has been generated. Now let me view the image. Now this is the image. I just have to click on download this save up here, and I'm going to save this image to our phone. So after saving the image to your phone, after you save the image to your phone, the next thing we are going to do is to start generating our video. We are going to turn this image to a full video. We are going to turn this image to a full video, and this is how we are going to do it. The first thing you are going to do is to go to your Google Chrome. You can use your Google Chrome or any browser you are using. Just search for Google Flow. Just search for Google Flow like this, something like this, Google Flow, and it's going to open. Now the first one you are seeing here, you tap on it. We are going to be using this AI tool because it's free. You can create 3 videos with it per day. So but if you can decide to upgrade, if you feel like upgrading, you want to be creating videos, multiple videos every day, you can feel like upgrading, you can upgrade. But right now, let's just try it out so that we are going to use it for free and generate this video. So just to show you guys that you can use this AI tool to generate videos for yourself. So let's wait for it. The next thing, you click on new project here. Now let me take this, get started. So you click on new project here. After you click on new project, it's going to take you to an interface like this. Now when it brings you to an interface like this, you are going to see where it says start and end frame. Now you click on this start here, and you click on upload. And after you click on upload, you click on gallery so that you are going to upload your image. So we are going to upload our image. This is the image. We are going to upload the image. And after we upload the image is uploading right now. So let's give it some minutes so that this image is going to be uploaded. Now this is the image uploading. So let's give it some minutes. You are going to be giving free credit every day. So you can come back every day and come and use your free credit. So this is it. This is the image still uploading. Now the image has uploaded. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back to the AI tool, ChatGPT. Go back to ChatGPT. Now coming back to ChatGPT, we are coming to our first scene here, which is the scene 1. So we are going to copy everything here. We are going to copy everything here like this so that the AI tool will understand. Copy it to this place that say environment description. As you can see, camera direction, dialogue, what the person should say. After copying everything, we'll come back here and we are going to paste it here. And after pasting it, the next thing I'm going to, sorry, I've just started generating without even giving it camera angle. Wow, I just make mistake. I need to select even here. I did not select anything here. I make a mistake, but it's going to generate the video. Don't worry, it's going to generate the video. I just make a mistake. I wanted to copy this this video image video prompt. I want to copy it and add, but my hand mistakenly click on it, so it started generating the video automatically. So we just have to give it some minutes. Let's just give it some minutes and it's going to complete the generation. And after you complete the generation, you are going to see the result. Now our result is complete. After the result is complete, the next thing you are going to do is to click on it. Let's play it. You are going to see it. That is,
Today, I will show you how to cook a delicious vegetable soup.
now as you can see, the result has complete, and this video is for 8 seconds. This one we just created right now is for 8 seconds. Now we are going to extend this video to 12 seconds with this simple image, with this simple video, and this is what we are going to do. We are going to go back to ChatGPT, and on ChatGPT we are coming back to scene 2. As you can see, scene 2, we are going to copy the prompt here like this. We are going to copy the second prompt. Then after copying, as you copy, we go back to the AI tool here. We are going to paste it here. You are going to see paste. Then we paste it here, and after we paste it here, the next thing we are going to go back to the AI tool again, and we are going to copy the video prompt also. After copying the video prompt, the next thing we are going to do is to paste it here also. We are going to paste it here, and after pasting it, the next thing we are going to click on this extend. As you can see, extend, and we click on generate. So when you click on generate right now, it's going to add another 8 seconds to the 8-second video we created, and it will make it 11-second video. Are you getting what I'm saying? It will make it 11-second video. So this is how you are going to be extending your video. You're going to be extending your video. So if you are in pro version, maybe you pay and you subscribe to this AI tool, you can create 30 seconds, or that is how you are going to be doing it, and you are going to create almost 1 hour video, 2 minutes video, 3 minutes video, sorry, 4 minute video. So this is how you are going to be doing it, and you're going to be extending your video. You are going to be extending it, and your video, it is going to be long video. So let's just allow this one to complete, and after it completes, I'm going to show you the next step you are going to do again. You just copy the prompt from ChatGPT and you are going to paste it, and it will continue your video. You copy the prompt from ChatGPT, you are going to paste it, and it will continue your video. But let's just give this one some minutes, and after it complete, I'm going to show you the next thing you are going to do. Now it has completed. Let me play the video.
Today, I will show you how to cook a delicious vegetable soup. These are fresh vegetables, washed and ready for preparation.
Now this is the next thing we are going to do. We are going to go back to ChatGPT again. After coming back to ChatGPT, we are going to copy our scene 3. This is it here. We copy scene 3. After copying it, we go back to the AI tool again, and we are going to paste it here. After pasting, the next thing we click on dot, and we copy our video prompt. A video prompt here. After copying the video prompt, the next thing we are going to do is to add the prompt here, and we are going to click on extend again. We click on generate. Now it's going to add another 8 seconds again. The first one we created was 8 seconds. We add another 8 seconds, making it 12 seconds. Now we're adding another 8 seconds. This video is going to be 20 seconds long. So after I generate this one, we can still go back to ChatGPT again, copy our scene 4. That is the scene 4, and we are going to continue generating the video. But if you are using this for free, just like I'm using it right now, I think it can only generate 4 videos a day. Yes, because if immediately you register on this AI tool, they are going to give you 50 credit, and each video you are generating is going to cost you 20 credit. So you can only generate 4 videos a day using this app. So if you want to generate multiple videos, long videos, now this is our video. As you can see, this is how all our video clip. Sorry, the one we generated right now was failed. The one we generated right now was failed. So let me do it again. Let's see if that one is failed.
Today, I will show you how to cook a delicious vegetable soup. These are fresh vegetables, washed and ready for preparation.
Now the one we generated right now was failed. So let's regenerate it again. That is the third one. Let's copy the third prompt. It was failed. Maybe it's because of network. So let me copy it again. You know, some people are calling me, they are disturbing me, and I don't want to. So let's paste it here. After that, let's go back to ChatGPT again and copy this AI video prompt also. Let's copy it. Sorry. Wow. Sorry guys. Oh, my hand mistakenly touched another place. Sorry for that. So let's come back again. Let's copy it like this. I wanted to drag this thing back like this. So it's just giving me a headache. Just copy like this, and after copying, we go back to the AI tool and we are going to paste it. After pasting, the next thing we click on generate again. So it will add another 8 seconds and it will make it 20-second video. So this is how you are going to be doing it repeatedly. So if you are in pro version, you can generate long video, but if you are in free version like the one I'm doing right now, you can only generate 1 video at a time and 4 video at a time per day. So if you generate 4 video and you want to be generating multiple videos, long videos like this, you can decide to upgrade. But if you don't want to upgrade, you come back the second day, you continue your video, or you use another of your Gmail account to create another account again, and you continue your video. All you just need to do is just to upload the image again and you continue your video. So this is the method you are going to do and create this type of video you just watch right now. And after you successfully create everything, you can go to CapCut and add everything together again. Now,
Today,
this is it.
I will show you how to cook a delicious vegetable soup. These are fresh vegetables, washed and ready for preparation. Wash your vegetables properly to remove all dirt. Today, I will show.
As you can see, so this is how you are going to do it. All you just need to do, you go back again, you copy the scene 4 as you can see scene 4, you copy it again, you go back to the AI tool, you paste it, and after everything is being done, you have done all your video, you just click on download up here. You are going to see download full clip. As you can see, you click on download full clip and you click on this original size, then your video is going to download. All the clip is going to download together, and after it download together, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your CapCut where you are going to add everything together. You can add what extra sound, your own sound, everything you want to add. You can do it and your video is going to look perfectly like what you watched moment ago. Now you guys have seen everything, how you are going to be creating videos like this. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to respond to you. See you guys on my next video.